We will now set up courier rules. On your account, scroll down the left-hand side to find the shipping rules. Click on Shipping Rules to get started. The first option you'll see is Courier Selection. Here, you have the ability to enable or disable any courier based on your preference. Next, you will have the option to select the courier priority. The priority could be fastest, cheapest, recommended, or custom. Go ahead and click on Custom. In the Custom section, you can choose which courier partner you want to prioritize. Simply drag and drop the courier partners based on your preference among these 3PLs. Once you're done, you can proceed to Courier Rules. You have the option to add your custom rules. To set up a rule, click on Add Rule. Give your rule a name, and then choose the conditions you want to apply. For example, if the payment mode is prepaid and the order is from Zone A and B, you can specify that only certain courier partners should be chosen for delivery. Once you save it, the rule will be enabled, and the courier rules will bypass courier priority if you've selected a courier rule.